Hello, my name is Michael Genova. I am a professor for the Entertainment Engineering and Design program at UNLV. For those of you that are not familiar with the program, it is a combination of the arts and engineering. It is hosted between the College of Fine Arts and the College of Engineering. I teach material science and fabrication classes, which are the foundation classes for the program. And our classes are very small because it is a very small program, which I feel unfortunate because I get to have a little bit more of a personal experience with all of the students. We do lots of team-based learning in our classes. And I like to start out the first semester with all of these students in a very different way. It's a material science foundation class, and our first lesson is a lesson in philosophy. I like to talk about quality, and I have the students actually define what quality means to them. If any of you have ever tried to do that before with a group of students, it is a very challenging concept for them to grasp. We talk about whether quality is some kind of inherent property in an object, or it is something within a subject as they're observing this object. That's not my definition. A number of the students will speak forward. They'll talk about what their ideas of quality are, what equates to value, or some kind of inherent polishedness of what an item is. These are all pretty close, but they're only half answers. I like to talk about quality as being this event where object and subject are brought together for the first time, and there's an experience there. A lot of what entertainment engineering is designing for that experience. Now, this whole lesson in philosophy is really my way of actually gauging the different personality types in the classroom. There are lots of dominant students in the classroom, and they will speak out. And there's lots of students in the classroom that have a tendency to be withdrawn. They don't talk, they don't ask questions. Those are the students that I'm looking for. When we go into the team-based learning, I take the dominant personality types and I put them together. And they fight. They fight because they believe that they have the best idea, and they believe that their idea, their way of doing things is better. Part of what we're trying to do here in teaching entertainment engineering design students is how to work on a multidisciplinary team. And if you always think that you have the right idea, nobody's going to want to work with you. The dominant personality types, when they get together and they fight, if there's 3 weeks that they have to actually do some kind of project, they will fight for 2 weeks, and in the last week they will put together an absolutely excellent project. There's these other students that are a little bit more adaptable. They can take a leadership role. They can take a back seat during the project. Those students will be fine. The students that are withdrawn, that don't ask questions, that don't have a lot to say, those are the students that I really focus a lot of my time towards. I will go and work with them as they're working together, and I'll ask them about their design choices. I will ask them if they're okay with the project. I will ask them if they have a better way of solving the project. A lot of times these students don't have an understanding of the value of their ideas, and they haven't practiced using their voice. So through the course of a semester, I really like to draw that out of them. I've had a lot of success with that. I've never had an opportunity to take somebody that started off a semester as a withdrawn student and in the semester, put them with a dominant student. But I do see a progression over the course of one semester. Over the course of 2 semesters, it's quite a change in